So today we are going to start revision of chapter number 12, areas related to circles. Okay, so we will complete the revision of this chapter in 3 classes. Revision number 1, 2, I will cover all NCRT questions. Okay, and revision number 3, as usual, we will do CBSE board previous year's board exam questions. So let us start with the perimeter of a circle. The distance covered by traveling once around a circle is the perimeter. Okay, usually it is called circumference. Okay, circumference of a circle bears a constant ratio with its diameter, and this constant ratio is denoted by the Greek letter pi. So circumference to the diameter, the ratio is pi, and what is circumference? 2 pi r, right? And diameter 2r. एक्चुअल में circumference को हम लोग pi into diameter लिखते हैं, and diameter is 2r. So circumference is equals to 2 pi r. So this is the perimeter of a circle formula. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Okay. Similarly, the area of circle. अगर हम लोग circle को रेगुलर क्लास में देखे थे, एक एनिमेशन से मैंने दिखाया था कि जब हम लोग और एक बहुत छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स अगर हम लोग कट करके ज्वाइंट करते हैं हाफ हाफ, so it will form a rectangle almost, and the length of this rectangle is pi r, and the breadth of this rectangle is r, and we know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth, so pi r into r will become pi r square. Okay, so area of circle is pi r square. And next we'll move towards semicircle. Okay, सिर्फ ये recapitulation है. For a semicircle of radius r we have perimeter. Perimeter is equals to circumference, half of circumference, that is pi r, plus diameter, that is 2r. Okay, and the area will be half of full circle, that is half pi r square. Now for quadrant, this part, this is 1/4 of the circumference of the circle, that is half pi r, and the length of 2 radius. So half pi r plus 2r is the perimeter, and the area will be 1/4 of the circle. So 1/4 pi r square. Okay, so now for ring, let us see for the area of ring, how to find the area of ring. It's very easy. Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So outer circle का radius यहाँ पे capital R है और inner circle का radius small r. So the area of outer circle is pi capital R square, and the area of inner circle is pi small r square. So we can take pi common, and this is the area of the ring formula. And for rotating wheels, some questions are based on wheels also. For rotating wheels, distance traveled by a wheel in one rotation, its circumference. Okay, and number of rotation in 1 minute will be equals to distance moved in 1 minute upon circumference. So this is the concepts recapitulation of all the formulas with respect to exercise number 1 of our NCRT. So let us start some important questions of NCRT exercise number 1. The first question: the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. So radius of first circle is given 19 centimeters, so we'll take it as a R1, and radius of second circle is given 9 centimeter, we'll take it as R2, and let R, capital R, be the radius of the third circle or resultant circle. Okay, and according to the question, the circumference of this third circle will be equals to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Okay, so the circumference of first circle is 2 pi r1, the circumference of second circle is 2 pi r2, and the circumference of third circle is 2 pi capital R. Now we can take 2 pi common from these two. Okay, so common निकालेंगे, common निकाल के इसके साथ cancel करेंगे, so we'll get r1 plus r2 is equals to capital R. So capital R will be equals to 19 plus 9. So what is the final value of capital R?
28.
28, right. Okay, so this is the first question, और ये board exam में आ चुका है ये question. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन भी देखेंगे. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. So this is similar to question number 1. So we'll take radius of first circle as 8 centimeter R1 and second circle 6 centimeter R2, and let the third radius of the third circle be capital R. Now according to the question, area of third circle will be equals to area of first circle plus area of second circle. So pi capital R square is equals to pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Now we'll divide all by pi, all term by pi. So we'll get capital R square is equals to R1 square plus R2 square. And this is 8 square 64 and this is 6 square 36. So 64 plus 36 will get 100. And what is the value of R?
10.
10. Very good. So hence the radius of the third circle is 10 centimeter. Now we'll move on towards fourth question, which is also very important question. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometer per hour? So diameter is given 80 centimeter. So what will be the radius?
40 centimeter.
Right, 40 centimeter. And just now I told you the formula that distance traveled by wheel in one revolution, that will be equals to circumference. Okay, so what is the circumference formula?
2 pi r.
2 pi r, right. So distance traveled by wheel in one revolution is 2 pi r. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 40 centimeter. ठीक है, तो इसको हम लोग फ्रैक्शन में ही रखेंगे अभी. But the speed is given in kilometer. So how will you convert it into kilometer? Centimeter to kilometer.
Into 10,000.
Divided by, not into. Divided by 1 lakh. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक जीरो कैंसिल कर दिए, 1 0 कैंसिल, सो 70,000. 176 upon 70,000 kilometer. Now distance traveled in 1 hour is given 66 kilometer, right? So number of revolutions, तो इतना total distance travel हुआ है और एक revolution में इतना है, तो इन दोनों को divide करेंगे तो we'll get the number of revolutions. Okay, so this will come in the numerator. Okay, अब इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, सो 66 अपॉन 176 इंटू 70,000. सो अगेन दिस इज इन 1 आवर और हम लोग को निकालना है 10 मिनट्स में. सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई 10 by 60. ओके, 10 by 60. सो नाउ दिस 0 0 वी कैन कैंसिल और ये 6 भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, 11 मिलेगा, राइट? एंड फ्रॉम 11 ऑल्सो इट विल बी कैंसिल. We'll get 16, right? Now 70,000 divided by 16 is the required answer. Okay, 70,000 divided by 16, so 4375. The final answer is 4,375 number of revolutions, right? So now we'll move toward the next topic, area of a sector. And this is the sector, minor sector, and how will you find the area of this sector? First we will find the fraction of angle. What is the fraction of angle with the complete angle?
360 minus theta.
Theta by 360, right? So when degree measure of the angle at the center is 360, area of sector is pi r square. And when the degree measure of the angle at the center is 1, then it will be pi r square upon 360. So when the degree measure of the angle at the center is theta, so it will be theta into this angle. And in short we can write in this form. This is one way. Another way, you can find the fraction of angle, okay, and then you can multiply with pi r square to get the area of that sector, right? Now we'll move towards the length of an arc. Okay, so similarly how we calculate for the area of sector, पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसका फ्रैक्शन निकालेंगे, fraction of this angle to the complete angle, that is 3 theta upon 360, then multiplied with the full semicircle, that is 2 pi r. So you will get the length of an arc of a sector of angle theta. And how will you relate the area of sector with theta? यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, अगर हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाई 2 करते हैं, ठीक है, इसको r में सेपरेट कर दिया हूँ, so this will become what?
2 pi r by 3.
नहीं, this will become length of an arc, that is L. So half into LR. So यहाँ से फॉर्मूला आया, ठीक है. So this is the relation between area of sector and length of arc. Okay. So now the next formula is area of segment. How will you find this area of segment? This is the area of segment. So क्या करेंगे हम लोग, area of sector निकालेंगे, then area of triangle निकालेंगे, then we'll subtract those two to get the area of this segment. Okay, so the formula is area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB, right? And this is theta upon 360 into pi r square, and one formula is there, you can use this formula, that half r square sin theta. Okay, trigonometric formula है this formula, if you wish you can use, otherwise you can find it the value of theta triangle by using our traditional method, ठीक है, that I will explain with the help of example. And how will you calculate the major segment?
Area of circle minus area of minor sector.
Right, area of circle minus area of minor segment. How will you calculate the area of major sector? This one is the major sector.
Area of minor sector, area of circle minus area of minor sector.
Very good. Area of circle minus area of minor sector. Similarly, area of major segment is area of circle minus area of minor segment. So these are the formulas with respect to area of sector and area of segment. Now we are going to do some important questions from exercise 12.2. So let us start with one more part, a perimeter of sector of an angle theta. See, how will you calculate the perimeter? First you find the length of this arc, and length of this arc is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r plus the two radius r plus r. Okay, right. Now find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle of sector is 60 degree. So this is very direct question. 1 mark में भी आ सकता है, 2 mark में भी आ सकता है. So radius is given 6 centimeter and central angle, that is theta, is given 60 degree, and the formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square. It can be written as pi r square into theta upon 360 degree. Okay, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, और जो मैं पहले जो बोला था theta upon 360 into pi r square, in that way also you can write. Now pi is 22 by 7, r is 6, so 6 into 6, and theta is 60. So we'll substitute all the values. Okay, 1 0 we can cancel here, and 6 into 6 36, so we'll get 22 into 6, that is 132 by 7, approximately 18.86 centimeter square. So this is the answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now second question, find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So quadrant का area निकालने के लिए we should know about the radius. Okay, so circumference से हम लोग पहले क्या करेंगे, radius निकालेंगे. So what is the formula of circumference?
2 pi r.
Right, very good. 2 pi r is equals to 22 centimeter. Now substitute the value of pi. R को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 22 upon 2 pi. Now substitute the value of pi, 22 by 7. ठीक है, ये 22 cancel हो गया, and we'll get 7 by 2 centimeter. So this is the radius. Now the central angle for quadrant. अगर quadrant का formula याद नहीं है, that is 1 upon 4 pi r square. So you can use the formula of sector also. Theta is 90 degree, and the formula of sector is this one. If you remember the formula, you can use directly that area of quadrant is equals to 1 by 4 pi r square. Otherwise you can use this one also. ठीक है, तो ये 90 by 4 हो जाएगा. देखो यही है 1 by 4. This is only 1 by 4. 7 7 cancel and 1 2 also cancel. Right, so 11 into 7, 77 upon 8. Approximately 9.625 centimeter square. So this is the required area. Any doubt? Okay, so now we are moving toward the next question, next important question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So जो लेंथ है मिनट हैंड का, दैट विल बी द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, क्योंकि वो सर्कल फॉर्म करेगा जब वो पूरा मिनट हैंड घूमेगा क्लॉक में, दैट विल फॉर्म अ सर्कल, एंड फॉर दैट सर्कल द रेडियस विल बी द लेंथ ऑफ मिनट हैंड. सो रेडियस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 14 सेंटीमीटर, एंड वी नो दैट मिनट हैंड कवर्स फुल सर्कल इन 60 मिनट, 1 आवर. 1 घंटे में पूरा सर्कल घूमता है. तो एंगल ऑफ सेक्टर कितना होगा 5 मिनट के लिए? 60 मिनट के लिए 360 डिग्री, 60 मिनट्स के लिए 360 डिग्री, 1 मिनट के लिए 360 अपॉन
30 degrees.
हाँ
30 degrees.
30 degree. Very good. So how will you find angle covered in 5 minutes? That is 360 upon 60 into 5. So 6 into 5, 30 degree. So this is the value of theta. And area swept by the minute hand will be in the form of sector. And the area of sector is pi r square theta upon 360 or theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now substitute the value of pi r theta, that is 30 degree. So एक 14 हम लोग 7 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, and these also we can cancel, we'll get 12. okay, और भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, ये 2 से 7 6, फिर 3 7. So finally 22 into 7, that is 154 by 3. okay, 154 by 3 means 51.33 centimeter square approximately. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Fourth question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor arc, major sector. Use pi is equals to 3.14. So we should not use 22 by 7 here. Okay. So this is the rough diagram. Now we have to find the area of first minor segment. Minor segment means this area we have to find. So उसके लिए एक फॉर्मूला क्या है? एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर. सो रेडियस इज 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड थीटा इज 90 डिग्री, and area of minor sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So we'll substitute the value of pi 3.14, radius 10 centimeter and theta is 90. okay, so ये पूरा कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग 4 से, and we'll get 314 by 4. So that is 78.5 centimeter square. Okay, now area of minor segment. Area of triangle, how will you find?
Half into base into height.
Very good, half into base into height. So area of minor segment is equals to area of minor sector minus area of triangle AOB. So minor sector का जो area है already 78.5 है, and the area of triangle AOB is half into 10 into 10. So 100 upon 250. So 78.5 minus 50, and that will be equals to 28.5 centimeter square. So we completed the first bit. Now for major sector we have two methods. हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? एरिया ऑफ सर्कल निकाल के एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर माइनस कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, what is the other method is that you can find the value of this angle. This is 360 minus 90, that is 270. So वो भी एक तरीका है. So we'll use the other method. Area of major sector is 360 up minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. So this will become 270. ठीक है, ये 270 हो जाएगा, 270 अपॉन 360 इंटू 314. So 10 cancel and we'll get 9 3s are and 9 4s are. Okay, so 3 into 314 divided by 4. So ये भी और कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, 157. So 157 into 3 upon 2, you will get 235.5 centimeters square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, next question. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree. At the center, find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Use pi is equals to 3.14 and root 3 value we have to take 1.73. So यहाँ पर 60 डिग्री दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, 60 डिग्री दिया हुआ, दैट मीन्स एक रफ डायग्राम बना लेते हैं. सो दिस इज 60 डिग्री एंड द रेडियस इज गिवन 15. सो सबसे पहले हम लोग इसको इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल प्रूफ करेंगे. हाउ? OA is equals to OB, okay, and this angle is 60 डिग्री. सो ये एंगल और ये एंगल भी इक्वल हो जाएगा. Why? Why these two angles are equal?
Angles opposite to equal
Angles
sides.
opposite
Right,
to equal.
angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So this two angles also equals to 60 degree क्योंकि इन दोनों का sum 120 degree है. So triangle OAB will become equilateral triangle. Okay. So radius यहाँ पे 15 दिया हुआ है, central angle 60 degree दिया हुआ है, and in this triangle OA is equals to OB 15 centimeter and this angle is 60 degree. So we can easily prove that it is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Now area of minor segment, ये वाला, how will you find this area? How will you find this area? Area of
sector minus area of corresponding triangle.
area of minor sector minus area of triangle, right? So area of minor sector का formula होगा theta upon 360 into pi r square, and this is equilateral triangle, so root 3 upon 4 side square. So we'll substitute all the values, 3.14, 15 into 15, 60 upon 360, and root 3 upon 4 side square, that is 15 square. The value of root 3 is given. Okay, so now we have to simplify this one. So इन दोनों में हम लोग 15 square common ले सकते हैं. We can take 15 square common. And if we take 15 square common, what is left? 3.14 into 60 upon 360 minus 1.73 upon 4. Okay. Further we can simplify this also. 6. So 225 upon 100, ये वाला दो डेसिमल निकालने के लिए 100 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड किए. Okay. Now 225 upon 100, 314 upon 6 minus 173 upon 4. Now we'll take LCM here. LCM लेंगे. So LCM is 12, तो इसको 2 से इंटू करेंगे और इसको 3 से इंटू करेंगे. So we'll get 628 and 519 upon 12. If we subtract, we'll get 109 upon 12. Okay. If you then multiply this two and then divide by 1200, finally we'll get 20.4375 centimeters square. Okay. Now area of major segment we have to find. How will you find area of major segment?
Sir, area of circle minus area of minor segment.
Very good. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of circle is pi r square, and this we already got this value. We'll substitute here directly. And the value of pi is 3.14, 15 square. So we'll get, if you multiply, you'll get 706.5 minus this. Then you have to subtract, you will get the final answer. So थोड़ा सा calculation है यहाँ पर. Any doubt in this one? Okay. So now we'll move towards question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. This is the figure 12.11 in the textbook. Find the area of that part of the field in which horse can graze. The increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Use pi is equals to 3.14. So that side of the square is given 15 centimeter. Okay, and the radius of the length of the rope in the first case is 5 meter. Okay, so that will be the r, and the central angle is equals to 90 degree, ये वाला angle. Okay, so how much area it will be grazed, that is area of this sector. It is a shape of quadrant, so we can use the formula 1 upon 4 pi r square. If you not remember, you can use the formula of sector. Okay, so this one. So pi r square theta upon 360 degree. The value of pi is 3.14. The value of r is 5. So we'll substitute all the values. This we can cancel. So 3.14 into 25 upon 4. So 78.5 upon 4 will get 19.625 meter square. So this is the answer of first bit. Now how much area increased, area of grazing increased if the rope were 10 meter long. So this area we have to find, this one. Okay, so how will you find? पहले ये वाला एरिया निकाल के इससे माइनस करना है, ठीक है? तो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर ओ सी डी वी हैव टू फाइंड. So length, radius is 10, angle is theta. So we'll substitute in this value, this formula. So इसको cancel कर लो. 314 upon 4, right? 314 upon 4, and we'll get 78.5 centimeter square. Now, hence the increase in grazing area, we have to subtract these two. 78.5 minus 19.625. So finally we'll get 58.875 meter square. Okay, so any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Next, ninth question. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in this figure. The total length of the silver wire required. First you have to find the area of each sector of the brooch. So the diameter is given 35 millimeter. So what will be the radius? 35 by 2. Okay, and the number of diameters is given 5. Number of diameters is 5. So number of equal sectors कितने होंगे यहाँ पर? देखो already दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में. Number of equal sectors is 10. So total length of the silver wire, how will you find? See, the length of all the 5 diameters plus circumference of the circle. So this is the total length of the sector wire. So length of 5 diameters हो जाएगा 5 into 35, and this will be 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2. So एक 2 यहाँ पे cancel हो गया, and 7 भी cancel कर सकते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर. So we'll get 110. So 175 plus 110, that is equals to 285 millimeter. So this is the first answer. Now we have to find area of each sector. तो area of one angle कितना होगा? What is the value of area of one angle? Suppose this is theta.
36 degrees.
Right. 360 upon 10, that is 36 degree. So this is the value of theta. इसको हम लोग दूसरे तरीके से भी निकाल सकते हैं. 10 equal parts बोल रहे हैं, तो area of each sector will be 1 upon 10 pi r square. You can use that way also. Okay, so area of each sector of the brooch pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Now substitute all the values. इसको यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 10 से, राइट. एक 2 यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर लो 11, एंड ये भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर 5, और ये भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 2. सो 35 into 11, 385 divided by 4. Right, so 96.25 millimeter square. So this is the required area. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards next question, question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. See this figure. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. तो ये जो ribs है, दो ribs के बीच का जो area है, that is nothing but that is area of sector. Okay, so the radius is given 45 centimeter and the number of ribs is given 8. So central angle कितना होगा? 360 divided by 8, that is 45 degree. Okay, so area of sector will be equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. The value of pi is not given, so we'll take 22 by 7 and the radius is 45. Okay, so इसको हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर 8 से, राइट, और 2 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. So what we are going to get, 45 into 45 into 11, that is 22,275 divided by 28, right. So we'll get 795.54 centimeters square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now we are moving towards the last question of today's revision. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure 12.14. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Use root 3 is equals to 1.73. जितना वैल्यू दिया है वही लेना है. ओके फाइन. सो पहले तो हम लोग यहाँ पे जो सेंटर है, सेंटर से ज्वाइन करेंगे दोनों पॉइंट्स. इसको A ले लेंगे और इसको B ले लेंगे. The center is O. Okay, we'll join this figure. So number of equal designs are 6 and the radius is given 28. So central angle will be equals to 360 upon 6, that is 60 degree. Okay, so हम लोग को अगर ज्वाइन करेंगे तो ये वाला डिग्री मिलेगा, ये वाला फिगर मिलेगा. And we have to show that now this is an equilateral triangle. How? OA is equals to OB. So these two angles are equal. And the sum of these two angles is 120 degree. Right? So each angle will be equals to 60 degree. So clearly triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle because OA is equals to OB and angle AOB is equals to 60 degree. Otherwise you can show also. So area of one design, matlab area of one minor segment. How will you find this design? Fast. How will you find this design?
So area of major segment minus
Area of triangle. Right. Very good. Area of one shaded design portion, that is equals to area of segment, and that will be equals to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Area of sector का formula है theta upon 360 into pi r square या pi r square theta upon 360, and area of triangle OAB, the formula is root 3 upon 4 side square. Right. Now we'll substitute all the values. 22 by 7, 28 into 28, 60 upon 360, root 3 upon 4, 28 into 28. Right. So यहाँ पे हम लोग 28 को कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं और ये भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग. ओके, सो अदरवाइज यू कैन डू सेपरेटली ऑल्सो. 22 into 28 into 28 divided by 42. So this is the first answer, 410.666666, and the next one 1.7 into 28 into 28 divided by 4, 333.2. So if you subtract, we'll get 77.46 centimeters square. Now area of one shaded design is this one. So total 6 hai, so we have to multiply by 6. So we'll get 464.76 centimeters square. Now cost of making 1 centimeter square, it is given 35 paise, 0.35. So we have to multiply these two. So 464.76 into 0.35. So we'll get approximately equals to 162.67 rupees. So this is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards the next section, that is assignment questions. So total 6 questions are there. and you have to complete these questions. I will post it in Google Classroom also. Okay, you have to submit in that only. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.